Hi, I am Noemi. Here are the 5 things that I can't live without. One is the rosary. Meron akong rosary na nasa akin pa ever since I was in high school. Tapos, yun talaga yung bit-bit ko palagi siya nasa pitaka ko. Kasi I feel like I am safe and I am being guarded by my guardian angel pag bit-bit ko to. At naalala ko nung nag-licensure exam ako for nurses, yun talaga yung bit-bit ko kasi feeling ko yun yung pinaghuhugutan ko ng lakas para pursue ako sa dreams ko na maging isang licensed nurse. And second thing is how to reach your goals. Ano yung mga method na magagamit mo para how to better yourself, how to have a better self. Pag wala akong ginagawa, ito talaga yung binabasa ko. And another thing is my retainer. Nasabi ko before na kasi yun yung gamit ko as my mouth guard. Pag nag-clenching akong matulog sa gabi, nag-clench yung teeth ko, like yung ganun. So, kailangan ko ng mouth guard. At the same time, retainer. Ganito yung mga vlogger. Facial moisturizer. Hindi ka magkaroon ng mga breakouts sa mukha. So, yes. And next thing is dental floss. Maraming related sa ngipin na gusto kong i-maintain kasi especially the dental floss. Kung kahit sino mang dentist yung tatanungin mo, importante talaga yung dental floss at least once a day para matanggal yung mga tinga-tinga sa loob.
Hi everyone, my name is Briggs from Bacolod City. So here are the 5 things I can't live without. Glass. Second, syempre alcohol. Third, eye drops. Fourth, lip balm. And last but not the least, yung mga pang-tito na, yung mga menthol oil.